I'm going to make a windmill now, but not a real one. But it'll blow round in the wind like the sails on the windmills in Holland. First of all, I need a piece of paper. It's 12 centimetres square. Now I've got all the other things too. I need a ruler and a pencil, some scissors to cut with, and a 2p piece. I'll let you know about that later. Also a bead and these. They're very special pins. Can you see they've got large heads? And also they're lots of different colours. If you haven't got these, ordinary pins will do. Just be careful how you use them. And the last thing is a long piece of wood. This is 45 centimetres long. And I've chosen balsa wood because it's soft and easy to stick pins in. Can you see? There. Right. Now to make the windmill. First of all, you draw a line from one corner to the other, like that, and then across the other way, so that the lines cross over. Where's the corner? That's it, I think. Now for the 2p. The 2p goes over the bit that's crossed in the middle, and a line drawn round to make a circle. There. Now the scissors. Cut from one corner right the way through to the centre of the outside of the 2p circle. That's it. Now, another one. That's 2. This is 3. One more coming up. That's 4. That's it. Now comes the tricky bit. The corner is folded right the way into the centre and held down with your finger. That's one corner. The next corner is left. Then the next corner is folded into the centre and held with your finger. Leave the next corner. Fold the next one. Sometimes when you're doing this, they can all spring apart, so you've got to be very careful. Leave the next one, and here's the last one to go in. Very tricky. Got them all. Yes, I have. Now, can you see that I'm doing this on some blotting paper? That's because of the next bit. The pin has to go through the middle. And if I did this on a table, I'd scratch the table. Right, here we go. The pin's got to go through all 4 bits of card at once. And this is very... No, they're springing apart. You just have to keep... That should be it. Now, is it through? Let's lift it up and see if it's all the way through. Ah, yes, it is. Good. Now, the bead goes on the back of the pin, and the pin is stuck onto the wood. There. That's it. And now, with any luck, it'll blow like a real windmill. It does.